Hi, Mark Fraser with Edwards Garage. Today I'm going to do a walk around video of this 2019 Chev Silverado 3500 with the Duramax engine. It has the LTZ package. I'm just basically going to walk around and show you the condition and the features of the vehicle. So first off, it's got the halogen projected headlights. It does come with that Z71 package. You see the badging on it. The previous owner's done a little upgrade. He's got this aftermarket grill in the front. It's got the 20-inch fuel rims with 35-inch rubber, and it's got a 6-inch lift in it as well, as you can tell. Got those trailering mirrors, standard on the HD trucks. He's got the bulletproof kickback mud flaps as well installed. That helps a lot with rock chips, and the bushwhacker fender flares, as you can see there. I'm not seeing any major scratches or dents. Couple little scuffs, but it is a used vehicle, so that's bound to happen. And it does have the prep package, the trailering prep package in the box, so you can drop in a fifth wheel and a gooseneck. But yeah, overall it's in pretty good shape. There is a paint protection on the hood, so that does help with rock chips. But overall it's in pretty good shape. Just a few scuffs and nicks. Next, let's go inside and check out the features of the interior. So I'm inside this 2019 Chev Silverado 3500 LTZ with the Duramax engine. Just going to go over some of the features of the interior and the condition. Condition overall is in pretty good shape. You may notice in the video the windshield has a crack in it, but we will be replacing that. But overall the interior looks pretty good. As far as features go, we have our trailing brake, integrated trailing brake on the left-hand side, your automatic headlight controls. We have power folding mirrors, great in those tight parking spots if you don't want to get them hit. Over to the steering wheel, we have paddles on the back that actually we can scroll through our favorites and adjust our volume of our radio, so help keep our eyes on the road. We have our cruise control. This one comes with forward collision alert and a heated steering wheel. We have controls for Bluetooth over here, as well as controls for our driver information screen up front. Lots of handy information for you up there, such as fuel economy. Over to the radio, it's touch screen. It does have the projection, so you can project your cell phone up onto the screen, and you can access your text messages. Also has settings where you can customize the vehicle to your needs. Down below that, we have our entertainment area. We have a radio, and it does come with a CD player, which is pretty uncommon these days in the newer vehicles, but this one does come with it. Below that, we have our climate control area, and it is dual auto climate control, so just set the temperature and it'll stay at that whether it needs to use AC or heat. Below that, we have a bank of buttons here. We have pedal adjustment, we have stability traction control, we have cargo light, we have park assist sensor disable, lane departure alert, hill descent assist, and we have an exhaust brake for those of you who like to tow and use that Duramax engine to slow down when you're hauling a heavy load. Below that, we have lots of charging ports. We have USBs, we have 12 volt, and we have a 120 volt for your laptop. One thing I forgot to mention is that it does come with heated seats and cooled as well. So nice little feature for the summer and winter. Over here we have wireless charging. Just basically set your phone in there and it'll charge wirelessly. In here we have lots of space in our center console and a couple more charging ports and a 12 volt charging port over here. But yeah, like I said, the vehicle is in great shape. Forgot to mention it does have a sunroof, and we'll just switch to the back here. We have a power sliding rear window. So a couple nice features there. But overall, great shape, lots of content in this truck. Let's check out the back seat for the condition. So I'm in the back seat of this 2019 Chev Silverado 3500, and the back seat I would say is immaculate. I don't see any scratches, dents, stains. It's in very good shape. It almost looks like no one sat back here. It's in very good condition. Little console there for your passengers riding the back, and there is another 12 volt charging port supplied there as well. So that's it for the back seat. Let's meet up front and we'll close out this video. So there you have it, the 2019 Chev Silverado 3500 LTZ. Also has the Z71 package and is ready to go with the lift, tires, running boards, it's ready to hit the road. These HD trucks with the diesel are harder to come by these days, and this one has just over 125,000 kilometers. So lots of life left in this truck. And we got a price right at $73,995. If you have any questions on this truck, feel free to give me a call at 403-845-3328.